Okay, I just realized it's been 4 years since I posted the first video on this channel, which was getting the this engine, the 318 that was original to the 1970 Challenger, fired up for the first time in probably about 30 to 35 years. Well, it's been 4 years. I have it on this crudely half put together engine run stand, which, you know, another project in the making here. Who knows if it'll ever get done. But since it's been 4 years, a quick short video getting this engine to run. The only thing that's been done to it is the updated ready to run distributor, change the plugs, change the oil, and I slapped a Chinese carburetor on it straight out of the box. No adjustments on anything. I know it'll run because I've run it before very, very briefly, but I thought it'd be a cool, quick little video for you. And obviously one of the biggest hurdles I have with getting projects done around here is having no room in the garage and being able to get different projects in and out quickly and easily to maximize my time out here. Well, if an engine's in the car and it can run and it can drive, that makes working on it on any given day for a couple hours that much easier. Let's give it a shot. A screwdriver to jump it with. Bad for a 54-year-old engine with an oil change and a Chinese carburetor and a massive fuel leak. Let's cut it. Thanks for watching.